Okay, welcome to the Crafty Hoarder. If you like any of the videos, please click like, and if you'd like to subscribe, then you can get to see lots more crafty videos and some more craft kits. Now in this Easter bird craft kit, okay, all the parts you need are inside. Make sure that you get all of them out like little tiny buttons. And it's got 2 paper birds inside, 2 hearts, a lollipop stick, 2 buttons and some ribbon. Well, this one is actually raffia. All of the kits are made from as much reclaimed material as possible. So the beads have come from haberdasheries and car boot sales and things like that. So wherever we can claim materials that are maybe being thrown out and recycled. So this raffia is lovely to work with. If you ever manage to get some, you can do so many things with them. So the bird kit comes with a list of what's included and then what you might need to make your kit. So scissors might be necessary if you want to make some changes, and also a glue stick is really needed for this kit. And there's a list of instructions to follow as well to help you make it. So this little Easter bird is a little bit different in that we've actually got white and orange. Some of the birds are the same colour on both sides. We're going to make an Easter bird that actually is reversible, so a white bird and an orange bird as well. What we've got to do first is stick our lollipop stick to a bird. So I'm going to do that first, so we know it's not going to come off. Actually, let's stick it to this one. So I'm just going to put it on the body so it can stay on. And this is so we can sandwich this piece of card over the top. So because we're making a reversible bird, I'm going to put the glue on this orange side, and you'll see how the 2 birds will sandwich together because they're the same size and shape. And now you disguise the top of the lollipop stick like that. Okay, so the extra things to add on are buttons for the eyes. So we'll do one side at a time and then the other. Okay, now obviously children can decorate the bird, they can add any other materials that you've got for crafting at home. These hearts are reversible bits of paper, so you've got different patterns on each side. And I always quite like to have it like that, so using the heart on its side. So I'm going to stick on the blue side this one and have it just there. I'm going to flip it over, and this side I'm going to stick on this side and try and get the hearts matched up there so you can't see the other side, and just add the other eye on. And again, if you wanted to decorate anything else on the wings, or maybe glue a feather onto the bird as well, they're all things you can add to it. And then just at the bottom, fold the raffia in half at the top of the lollipop stick, and the instructions tell you all of this as well. And then just make a little bow there. And then if you're giving a gift, or you want to put it in the garden, or a vase, or a flower pot, or just anywhere in your house really, if you wanted to decorate, you can have your little Easter bird like that.